Got it. There's spring in the air, and that means that our friend Amy Sadler has a fun project waiting for us. We stopped by the She Shed to see what DIY activity she has in store.
Today we're just going to take a regular terracotta pot. They're so inexpensive and they turn out so beautiful. We're gonna make it look old and kind of Frenchish.
Great. That's what they were going for when they made
Right?
I'm just messing with you. That's really cool. Okay.
Yeah.
So what do we need to do?
Well, I have some cream colored chalk paint in here, and I'm just gonna give you, well, let me show you first. Let me show you
please.
First. So we're not gonna paint it fully. We're just gonna kind of get some chalk paint on in a very haphazard way. Chalk paint just has a really excellent sticking quality. You can paint over just about anything with chalk paint and it's gonna stick. We're just going to, see how I did that? Just kind of dry brush.
Yeah.
I didn't get a lot of paint on and I just haphazardly put it on.
They didn't teach you to fill in the color in the lines as a kid?
No, I have never.
Okay.
Don't ever accuse me of coloring in the lines because
Won't do.
that's offensive to me. Yep, in all directions, up and down, just like that's perfect. You're the best haphazard painter.
I'm not even looking.
And that's what it takes. We're trying to make it look like it's been that will come off really easy too.
I did not get the pot at all. Okay. So we're doing pretty well here.
Yeah.
Is this good?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think so. Yeah, because we're gonna actually take some moss. I love to use moss, especially when I'm aging something. So we're gonna take our pot and anywhere you want. You don't have to do it on the open spots. I'm gonna do it right here where I think I got too much paint here. So I'm gonna put some hot glue like that. And I'm just gonna pick some of this green moss and I'm just gonna stick it on there like that.
Mine kind of looks like it got a really bad, like woke up on the wrong side of the bed.
Bad haircut.
Yeah.
Haven't had a haircut. So there's that one. Then I already had painted, and our chalk paint is already dry. I don't know if you noticed that, but that's real time. It took on a terracotta pot.
Less than a minute.
Yeah,
easily.
chalk paint will dry like that.
Jeez.
So then I have a bigger one here, and then we'll put the three sizes together. Then we can take the three sizes that we have here and use them as like a display. Put some, you were asking about color.
Yeah.
I'm the wrong person to ask, I love all green, but we're gonna add some spring colors in here.
Okay.
And there you have a nice little
Look at that.
spring arrangement. How cute
That's
is that?
fun. Yours is much more
Only because
home-friendly.
only because I have more big flowers in it than yours, but yours is perfect.